Before you start these exercises, make sure your workspace is clear, and please read the disclaimer on the Actif North Wales website. This is a beginner's quick session, perfect for busy schedules. I am going to perform these seated, but they can also be done in standing. We'll do 7 exercises to work the big muscles. We'll do 3 sets of 15 seconds. The first set is going to be our warm-up. Just do what you can. Okay, let's start. I'm going to come to the front third of your chair. Just make sure your toes are facing forwards, your hips are facing forwards, your shoulders relaxing down, and you're sitting up nice and tall. We're going to start with our march, nice and steady, because we're just warming up for this set. Okay? We're going for 15 seconds. Ready? Let's go. So we're just going to march with our feet. We're going to just do nice gentle arms just to begin with, just to warm ourselves up. 3 seconds. Okay, still keeping it nice and tall. I'm going to take both hands out, push forwards and pull back when you're ready. So normal breathing throughout. Your range of movement shouldn't be painful. And just stop at any point if you wish. Okay, relax. When you prepare to stand, bring your heels back, nose over knees. We're going to try and get off the chair, but we're not going to get up. So don't hold your breath, keep looking forwards. Nice and controlled movement, and relax. Okay, side taps this time, out and then back. I'm going to do with my arms. You can make these nice and big, or you can keep them nice and small. It's your choice. But we are warming up, remember. Okay, so opposite hand, opposite leg. When you're ready, join in. So I'm not going to make them too big just yet. We'll leave that to the next set. Okay, do calf raise, lifting up your heels and then lower down. Again, my back is still away from the chair. If at any point you want to sit back, please sit back and rest, and then join in when you're ready. For 5 seconds. Good. Okay, we're going to do a lunge. Just make sure at the front third, it's a step out, and then bring it back when you're ready. Try and keep those eyes looking forwards. Good. I'm going to go back to the start, which was marching. Make it a bit bigger this time. Off you go. Remember, you don't have to use your arms. You could just make your legs nice and a bit quicker. Have a breather. So chest press. I want you to imagine you're pushing something really hard forwards. So really, a bit more effort this time. Push forwards. You're pushing against the wall, trying to push it away from you. Got 5 seconds. Good. Prepare to stand. Heels back, nose over knees when you're ready, and nice and controlled. Remember, don't go at my pace. Go at your own pace. Just make sure it's nice and steady. You're just lifting the bottom off the chair. Got 2 seconds. Okay, side taps before we use our arms. We'll do both arms this time when you're ready. Good. Remember, you do singles if you wish, or just the legs. Just work at your level. Okay, opposite hand, opposite knee. We're going to do a bit bigger with your hands if you can. 5 seconds to go. Going to lift those calves again. Again, sitting up nice and tall when you're ready. Let's go. We could, if you want to, add the arms, which are like this. Or if you want to do 1, just incorporate some more muscles. I'm going to lunge forwards, so make sure you're on the front third. We're going to step forward and bring it back. Let's add some arms this time if you can, just to increase those muscles. Good. Okay, back to marching when you're ready. Let's go. So really concentrate on those elbows, drawing the arms back. And remember, you don't have to use your arms, you could do just legs. Feet are still, do a chest press, imagine you're pushing something away. When you're ready, let's go. Remember, normal breathing. Try and really push forwards. You could do singles if you wish. Your choice. Okay, prepare to stand. Bring your heels back, nose over knees when you're ready. So a nice controlled movement. Remember, don't go at my pace, go at your own pace. But we're just lifting that bottom off the chair. Good. Okay, side taps when you're ready. I'm going to do some arms this time. We'll do opposite, I think. Really good for coordination. Good. You lift your knees. Again, opposite hand, opposite knee lift when you're ready. Sitting up tall. Or we can make them really big. 5 seconds. Good. And then back to our calf raise. So lifting up your heels and down. So hopefully you should feel the back of the leg. It's really good for when your feet are quite still under the table. It just gets those leg muscles working. Okay, now lunge. Just make sure you're at the front of your chair. When you're ready, you're going to add some arms. Just make sure that front foot is firmly onto the floor as you push and pull with your hands. Don't have to use the arms. Your choice. Good. I'm just going to go back to your mat just to cool down. We'll bring that heart rate down a little bit. Good. I'm going to slide back on my chair. Keep moving my feet. Good. I'm going to rub your knees when you're ready. Just slowing the movement down. Do left hand on right shoulder, just rubbing that arm. Swap over. Good, and do a nice stretch. So breathing in, just nice big stretch. Slowing it down. Hands over knees. Just help you feel like you've had a good workout.